Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to duplicate or copy a sheet on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to duplicate a sheet on your WPS spreadsheet mobile? I'm just going to show. For an example, here I just going to make a content like this. Okay, so we can easily hide this now. Okay, we just make something like egg. Okay, so I just want to exactly copy this sheet with the same text and same coloring on the box cells. So just click on the sheet again on the top, and you will see an option called copy sheet. This is actually called duplicate sheet. Click on this copy sheet and you can see the sheet 1 and sheet 1 by 2, and you can also just copy the same sheet again. You can see you can make how many times. If you just needed to duplicate the sheet, you can just duplicate it and you can make a work and delete it. So it will be so easy, because if you are deleting a sheet on the WPS spreadsheet mobile, you can't undo or redo the option. You can see there is no option there. So before deleting the sheet, you can just make some corrections, and if you felt the second sheet was so good, you just can delete the first sheet and you can use the second sheet. This is how you just copy or duplicate the sheet on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.